So guys, all you have to do is just head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on system. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on advanced scaling settings. And now you want to make sure that let Windows try to fix apps so they're not blurry has been turned on. And you want to make sure that you have nothing in this box right here. Make sure that you have nothing in this box. Now we're going to go back again. And now you want to scroll down. Make sure that under change the size of text, apps and other items, you have it on the recommended option for your monitor. And make sure that your display resolution is also on the recommended option. For you, it should say something like recommended. You want to select that. Now once you've done all that, you can just proceed to take a screenshot like you normally would by either clicking on the print screen button on your keyboard or by using Snipping Tool. So you want to head over to search and then type in Snipping Tool. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you have a range of options that we could use. So next to mode, if you click on the arrow, you could take a freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, and full screen snip. So for this example, I'm just going to be using a full screen snip. And now it's taking a picture of my full screen and it's in high quality.